Hi there. Let me introduce you to this photo booth contraption from Oak Tree Studios. Let's begin with the beginning. Some props, some subjects, good atmosphere, good mood, and great photos. On the spot. Get creative, have some fun, make some memories, enjoy. So here's how we put this together. These are the legs. They have holes at the ends to put screws. These are the knees in the legs. This is the mounting table, the bottom part. And the top side of the mounting plate. That's the photo tray and all the screws that you need for this. On the back, there is a removable panel to give you access to all the hardware inside. On the bottom, you mount the iPad. On the top, the DSLR camera. On the side, there's the slot for the printer with the tray, together with a removable panel for quick access. Now let's put the legs together. Make sure you orient them the right way. One screw for each knee. Stick the legs on the bottom of the mounting plate. You need a longer screws for these. The manufacturing is really good. They really align properly. You don't have to fidget with the screws to get them through the holes. And here's the first half assembled. Now put a box on top. And secure the box to the base with 2 screws. This is the photo booth empty. And now with all the hardware mounted, camera, display, and printer. You can sit with a light attached, you can use a softbox, you can use an umbrella, whatever you have available. It is a little bit different, a little bit retro looking, not so sterile, not so technical looking. Thanks for watching. Contact Nick for more info.